Welcome to #FollowAttorneyAmanda, where you follow me on my journey to more likes and ultimately more business. I am attorney Amanda Schaefer. Today I want to talk about subtitles or captions. So last night or this weekend, I don't remember when anymore, I was watching a new movie called The Suicide Squad. And what was interesting about the movie was the way they did the subtitles. Normally you have, the subtitles at the bottom of the screen in like a white generic font, like Times New Roman, Arial or something. But this movie had them in orange with a white outline, and they were not just like showing up in the middle bottom. It was like showing up like if this person was talking, it was kind of like near that person and that one, and like splitting them up. And I was definitely more into reading the captions than normally. So made me think like maybe this is something I should be doing in my videos, because I know now captions are automatically added if you want them to be. I believe mine are automatically added. But you can also edit them, and if you really go a step further and bring them into like a video editing program, you can change fonts and do whatever colors and places and do whatever you want. Now, that would require a significant more amount of work, so I'm still kind of feeling out here if I should even bother. Maybe I could find the option like a website that does closed captioning, and you could pick your style or something. I have to, like I said, this just came to me yesterday. It was yesterday when I watched the video. So it came to yesterday when I saw this movie, and I've never seen it before in a movie, and I was definitely captivated by it. And I've always thought about fonts and how to use fonts to your psychological advantage, but I've never had the time to really explore that more or find an expert to help me. So I think it's something I definitely want to look into now more, because it's similar to, I know on YouTube I've been told like the graphic that you put, just the graphic for the video, I don't know what it's called, the artwork or whatever. If you have like big, bold font, like you're more likely to get people to watch it and stuff. And obviously people are scrolling through so much, and that's part of it. And videos autoplay, and that's why you like the captions. So I'm going to look into it more. I'll report back if I'm able to do anything. Honestly, I hope I am. I'm not sure where in the hierarchy this falls. Like, how important is it? How many people really don't watch the videos with sound on? I wonder if that is a metric I can get. I'll have to look into that. That would probably be the most telling. So that is all today for #FollowAttorneyAmanda. Join me next time where we discuss another topic. Thanks for watching.